associated with a background in the areas of theoretical physics, biotechnology, or other high-tech disciplines. Associated with the background in the areas of theoretical physics, biotechnology, or other high-tech disciplines. Civilian Recruitment Division. Regular radiation and biohazard screenings are a requirement of continued employment in the Black Mesa Research Facility. Do not attempt to open the doors until the train has come to a complete halt at the station platform. Now arriving at...
Candy. Stupid machines! Why don't these ever seem to work? Hey, you wouldn't have a quarter I can borrow, would ya? Fighting aliens is not. Alright, I think I'll stay here and die. Sure, I have nothing better to do. I think I got a right one. Have you seen the new IG-88?
No, I haven't, but a friend of mine...
What is that, Doc?
I don't know. I've never seen that species before.
It's okay, sir. I can take it. Well, I got hit pretty hard.
No! I don't want to die!
Those poor bastards. Candy. Stupid machines! Why don't these ever seem to work? Hey, you wouldn't have a quarter I can borrow? okay. I don't want to die alone. Oh yeah, baby, did you see that? Have you seen the new IG-88?
No, I haven't. But a friend of mine...
What the heck? What is that, Doc?
I don't know. I've never seen that species before.
It's okay, sir. I can take him. Just a little damage, but I can make it.
No! I don't want to die! Oh, no. You're one of them. Can't we just get along? Don't worry. I am a doctor. I'll stay here.
You copy? Forget about Freeman. We're abandoning the base. If you have any last bomb targets, mark them on the tactical map. Otherwise, get the hell out of there. Repeat, we are pulling out and commencing airstrikes. Give us targets or get below. Shepard, you've made it. I take it you didn't find Freeman? Forget it.
Where's Freeman? We don't have time to mess around here.
You've got to believe me. Freeman could be anywhere.
I'm not letting you go until you talk.